Today we are doing a plan with me for the week of October 9th through the 15th. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. This week I need to get on track. It's actually Monday. I had this day off because I came back from my parents' house today after dropping off my sister after a fantastic sisters weekend / sisters and nephews weekend. And I need to get going or this whole week is going to be a wash if I don't get started on everything. So I have a beautiful kit to use this week. It is so cute from Crust Press. This is the July Mystery. So its official name is called Clove Cafe. I love the color scheme in this. It's so pretty. I think I ended up getting the glossy because the matte was sold out, which is totally fine. Her glossy is great too. And I love the vibe of this. This is so cozy. And actually this week we're going to be getting down into the 30s and 40s at night and in the morning. And I'm so excited. I'm so ready for like full on fall. We've kind of had a little bit of little glimpses of it so far, but nothing like really fallish. So here are the full boxes. This is so pretty. I love this. Gorgeous. Okay. Beautiful patterns. Bottom washi is so pretty. I love the artwork in this. So cute. And then we have an extra box, which is like the inside of the cafe. Sorry, my hands are shaky. I haven't eaten very much today, but I'm going to go right after this, pick up groceries, make myself some lunch. Okay, so we have this dot marker in oatmeal that we're going to use for like lists. This is my makselife vertical planner, and I'm loving it still. It's been, what, like 4 months in now, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. So we have so much to do today. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I arrived home at about noonish from my parents' house. So we need to get going. So let's get this week set up, and then I will check in with you each day that I can. We're going to begin with the bottom washi, of course. It's nice and thick. I love a thick bottom washi and one strip. Sometimes the 2 strips look really cute, but I really love a one fat strip. It's nice. Okay, now I'm using my makselife bookmark to trim the excess, and that has been working out really well with my X-Acto blade. They just kind of mesh together really well and don't destroy each other like my plastic ruler. Okay, now date covers. They are thin, and I'm placing them across the top, and they are all crooked. We're trying to fix it, but it's not really working, and they're all a little bit tilted to the left or the right, and that's just like how it is. Nothing to worry about. Okay, now full boxes. I love these so much. They're beautiful. I decided just to use one side of this double box. This kit is just so dang pretty. I love the little soup box and all the flat lays. Oh, and all the baked goods. I mean, it's just really fun. We're going to save some for later and add them in throughout the week. You will notice we're a little foggy right now, and that's because I forgot to clean my lens. But after we get through this, like the putting together of the spread, the clips will become clear again. It's just like this fogginess was because I had a dirty lens. Okay, finishing up over here on the sidebar, we added in some deco and some glitter headers to cover up the excess habits, and then we're just adding a bunch of boxes throughout the spread because I had a lot going on this week. It was a very busy weekend, but a great one, and I just needed to lay everything down and see it. I liked the visual aspect of decorative planning in that you can like block your time and see everything really clearly. So I was coming home from a trip to see my parents on Monday, so then I had a day off and I needed to get some things done. Then I also had a half day on Tuesday just to keep my sanity. I had the morning off, but just adding a bunch of checklists in and things that I knew I needed to get done. And this just really helps me like get back on track after going away. I am putting in a little Fox and Pip Go Team sticker for West Texas A&M's homecoming game that I went to on Saturday. And then I'm just writing in my habits and catching up on those a little bit. And then payday on Friday, so of course I need to create a new tab on my spreadsheet, and then just a bunch of stuff on the weekend that also needed to get done. Like I said, busy week. It is Wednesday. I did not check in yesterday because it was a shitty day at work. I don't know what is in like the water, but teachers and kids are just like losing their minds. So I did not get much done when I got home yesterday, and I even had the morning off, so you can like tell how bad of a day it was, because I was only there for like 3 hours. So anyway, I didn't do any of this stuff, so we're just gonna move it over because it's not happening. So I think I'm just gonna like, I don't know, maybe I'll just skip the bathrooms this week and do it, because we have Monday off the next week. So do we do that, or, I mean, they're not really dirty. I clean them every week. Let's just skip the bathrooms this week and then just do dusting and vacuuming today. And then I'll pick up with bathrooms next week. I do need to get that haul edited though. Have not done that at all. It won't take me that long. When do I want to do that? Not today, because I need to do a good workout today. I did not do one yesterday, and I feel a little bit behind. So let's grab this like burnt orange color. What else am I going to get done today, by the way? I think I'll do edit haul here and get it up on Friday. That'll be nice. And then, oh, I need to wash my hair tonight. Oh my gosh, that looks terrible. Okay, anyway. What else? I'm also going to put water in my yard. There's no rain in the forecast. It is so dry around here, and my skin is feeling it. I had to do some extra moisture last night and a different sunscreen today, and thankfully I think we're back. But we'll see what happens when I use my tretinoin tonight. It's just so dry. No relief in sight. Okay, today I think I'm going to do work for my workout. I think we'll use, let's use some Coffee Monsters Co. this week. Not both these sheets. I think I'm more doing like this. All of that's probably yoga. Let's use this one. I don't really have anything else to put in here, but I do have some pictures I'll include. Okay, tomorrow I also need to do a grocery list. Habits. I've done that and that. But nothing else yet. Okay. Gratitude today. It's my friend Kat. She had a really rough day yesterday. Yeah, really, really bad. And yeah, today was a better day, thankfully. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm so ready for the weekend. Hey there, it is Sunday. I think I must have skipped at least 2 days. I think that's right. Anyway, let me catch you up. So Wednesday, I started to feel a little bit tired after my workout, but I got a good night's sleep, and then I woke up on Thursday and realized that I was passing a kidney stone. So that was real fun. Thankfully, like, I got through the day, and I came home, rested for, like, that evening, and I kind of figured out, like, what worked, what helped. So I think next time, and I'm sure there will be a next time, I will know what to do. So anyway, it was rough, but I got through it and I learned what I need to do, I guess. Okay, so I got a little bit of a setback there, but now we're at Saturday and let's talk about the day. So somehow I filled up my weekend. I don't really know what happened, but we've got stuff happening all weekend. So let's talk first about Friday, kind of catch up here a little bit. So I ended up just getting some food and coming home because I was getting a new ice machine, like a countertop ice machine delivered, which was great. And I got it all assembled. And I want to put in here that I was watching Gilmore Girls. I'm now on season 4. So I have definitely watched quite a bit here, but I was just watching that while I was setting up my new little cart and new ice machine, which is up and running now, although I need to put it in its correct spot. I don't really have it there. Anyway, it's going great, and I'm so glad that I bought that. I got it on Prime Day, and something that I've wanted for very, very long time. So I'm very happy with that purchase. I probably shouldn't be spending money, but it's just something that I've always wanted, and I'm super grateful for that because I drink so much water now that it's just really helpful to have like a lot of ice available because I really like cold water. So anyway, I feel like that was something that just kind of fell into my lap, and I'm glad that I did that. Okay, let's grab little Dean here, who is not my favorite person right now. If you've watched Gilmore Girls, he is my least favorite boyfriend. I just don't like the way that he talked to her. Well, okay, Logan might be my least favorite. I'm not sure, but yeah, I definitely do not like either one of them. I like Jess the best, even though Jess was a total screw up at the beginning too. But he came around, I guess. Okay, I need to find something for this, but I don't know if I have any like ice or anything like that. Let me look. Nothing. Okay, we are gonna grab a fall sticker. Okay, I can't find anything that I want, so I'm gonna grab a fall sticker anyway since I'm in my seasonal book, because this is the first week that it felt like fall the whole week, and I love that. So let me find one of that. It's like, I think we're gonna go with that one. These are from Pumpkin Paper Co. They are no longer available. I feel like I have to say that every time because I always get questions about them. And they are super cute, but no longer available, unfortunately. Okay, I'm just going to grab like a happy face for my little ice machine. Okay, let's go with this little face, the little freezing face. I think that's as good as I'm going to get. Okay, and then let's just grab like a solid box in here. Like this cream one. Put that right above the little Dean's head here. Okay, now let's talk about Saturday and Sunday. So today I have an appointment to go get my tires rotated, mainly because yesterday I realized, like I noticed that my tires were low. Well, my car alerted me to that. And then I was like, hey, I never got my tires rotated this summer like I was supposed to. So made that appointment. Luckily there was one this afternoon. Then I need to come home and get ready for the game because it's a night game. So I want to look presentable for that. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair, but I have my outfit. It's going to look cute. And then Sunday, oh my gosh, we have more things happening on Sunday. Okay, so this one is from Coffee Monsters Co. This is from an old shop that isn't really around anymore. So we have today pretty much good down here, but I do need to add a few things here. Okay, I need to film my teacher plan with me. Maybe I can get that edited today. I don't know. Let's just try. Okay, and then tomorrow we're going for drinks, and I have my I'm getting my flu and my COVID shot. So let's put both of those in. We're gonna go for some drinks. We haven't been out since like last month, so it should be fun, and work has been really stressful for everybody lately, so we need to relax a little bit and just enjoy each other's company. And I'm going to use one of these from, again, Pumpkin Paper Co., which is no longer around, but we're just going to place it right there. And then also last night I had a terrible migraine, so we're going to put this little tracker in here. It was really bad. Like, I almost didn't get to go to sleep. I should have put this at the bottom, but whatever. Let's go with, this is from the sticker party. Okay, let's go with this color because I can't think of anything else that would match. And we're just going to mark off. It was really bad. Really bad. Okay, so I went to bed at like 8:30 last night, but that's totally fine. Oh, let me grab one for here. I'm feeling good with like kidney stone and stuff, so I don't know that I'll drink, but maybe I will. I don't know. I'm just going to feel it out. If I don't feel like it, it's totally fine. Not going to bother me. but if I do feel good, then I will. Hopefully these don't make me too tired. Maybe I'm being too ambitious, but we'll just have to feel that out. Okay, so habits. We're doing okay, despite this week being a little bit up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and put nails here, but I already did them this morning. And I'll put right here, schedule tires, because I did that yesterday. Okay, I feel like we're in a good spot. We're kind of caught up. This is so busy, but that's cool. It looks really cute. So we'll just have to fill in pictures where we can. I need to go get to work because this is going to be a busy day, and tomorrow too. So I'll see you tomorrow. It is Sunday, so I need to finish up my list here, and then I'll be back with some pictures from the week. Let's start with habits. So really I can just mark off that one. I've already been to pick up my groceries and my vaccine appointment. So the guy, I asked him, like, what should I do today to minimize any kind of effects? And he said, just go about your normal day, be active, like walk around, move your arm and all that. So that's what I'm trying to do. I did get my plan with me edited. I need to do a new plan with me. I need to water my yard. I need to take some photos. I've been slacking on my Instagram lately. And I need to do some YouTube prep. Thankfully, I've got 2 videos already prepped for next week, but next week, I'm going to add this right now to my weekly actions. I want to get ahead. Gosh, okay, I've been trying to do it for months, but I need to just get a video edited maybe tomorrow because I have Monday off. It would just be really nice to have, like, be a week ahead. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this week. I'm going to go ahead and put in my favorite moments of the week, and that was the homecoming game yesterday. We won like 49-27. We didn't stay the whole game because it was cold. Like, it was chilly. And so we stayed till halftime to see my friend's niece, which she was just having the best time out there. And we talked to her afterwards, and she just was like totally in her element. I just was really proud of her because she just is like settled in at my alma mater, and she's just like having the best time. I love that. Okay, like I said, I'll be back to add in some pictures and we'll finish it up. Let's finish up this spread with some pictures. So I grabbed some from the game that I went to for my alma mater homecoming. Then I have some pictures here on this side. This one just made me laugh. And then I have a little bit of open space, so I don't know what I'm going to do with those. We're going to just figure that out. Might just make a note right here about the weather just being a little more beautiful. And then over here, just what such a good weekend it was. So I've got this third box that I think will fit in here pretty much perfectly. And then let's put one right here. So I have a couple here. I don't know how big that is. Let's see. Oh yeah, that'll fit. Okay, and then let me find some stickers for those. Let's use one of these for the weekend. And then we can use one of these poor little peppers. How about this one? Okay, let me get everything taped down, and then we will go in and make a couple notes. Okay, I'm just going to add this little heart there. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let me make my little note here. Okay, and then on this side. And I think this spread is finished. I love this kit. It's really pretty, and I love all the patterns. The color scheme is really beautiful. This was a really fun kit to work with. Thank you so much for watching this plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Let me know how your week went, and I'll see you next time. Bye.